Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record in Samsung A53 5G. But before I continue this video, as always I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, if you want a screen recording, you just have to swipe it down like this and one more time, and here you will see a view option, a view icon. You just have to find the screen recorder icon right here. So I'm gonna slide it to the left, and here I found the screen recorder. If you want a screen recording, you just have to tap on it, and yeah, you will see this pop up. You can set the sounds here for no sound and for only for the media sounds, and here also you can set it as media sounds and mic. And then here under it you can see the show taps and touches. If you want to activate, you just have to tap on the toggle next to it. So here I'm gonna set it as media sounds as a default, and for the show taps and touches I'm gonna activate. And now just tap on the start recording, and yeah, it's counting as you can see. And yeah, when you see this icon, it's start recording. Here you can see if you want to pause it, you just have to tap on this icon. And yeah, when it's turned red, which is pause. And here you can also activate the camera selfie, as you can see here right now. Then here in the pan icon, you just have to tap on it and you can draw anything like this. And then here you can change the color also, here the green one, and here the yellow one. And after that, if you want to erase it, you just have to tap on this undo arrow like this. And if you're done, you just have to tap on this icon, and yeah, as you can see, recording saved. You can check your recording in your gallery. And yeah, so guys, now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go to screen recorder again and tap and press it. And yeah, you can see here the settings. You can choose the menu here for the sound, and here for video quality, and here for the selfie video size up there. And yeah, just it. I think it's enough guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.